Well, welcome friends. It's monsoon season. We are between Deming and Lordsburg, New Mexico right now. First storm. The first storm's always interesting. Unlike previous trips, we're actually starting on the lower desert this time, and we're gonna stay here, I hope. Storm's going up. Storm's ongoing. Storms. Gee. This storm cell has taken off and is just throwing lightning bolts down, throwing good rain down. So we're gonna watch this. Not haboob day today. This is just like, let's get some things started. Let's work out the kinks, so to speak. I'm trying to figure out the situation in the car. I'll show you that here in a second. It's ridiculous, but it's pretty storm. So there we go. First one of the trip. First one. My voice is hoarse already. I don't know how that's happening. Doing 6K photo mode right now. So whenever a lightning strike hits, I push the button and I will have captured it.